The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is right now in the rumor mills, and we have seen multiple reports, leaks, and rumors, and some official confirmation about the device that what is going to be packing inside. Well, to be honest, all the things are great for the S23 series, but one thing that is going to be not good, and it is going to be a big downgrade, and that is the selfie camera for the S23 series. Yes, you hear it right. According to leaks and rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be packing the downgraded 12 megapixel camera sensor for all the three devices. All the three devices will be having same 12 megapixel of a selfie camera, which is kind of a downgrade for the S23 Ultra, which was coming with a 40 megapixel of a sensor in the S22 Ultra, and that was performing decently in the S22 Ultra. Now, to be honest, I really don't think that the megapixel count are going to be great for the selfie camera. If you see the iPhone series, they are coming with the same 12 megapixel of a camera sensors, and they are performing really great. Even the 4K recording is going to be pretty much nice in the iPhone. So definitely having a 12 megapixel sensor doesn't mean that we have a big downgrade in here. But let's see which kind of a sensor Samsung is going to be implementing in their S23 series. So we do hope that it's going to be better and can provide us 4K videos in good quality. Now, although the selfie camera is going to be same in all the three devices, but the S23 Ultra is going to be coming with biggest upgrade in the rear camera. Yes, you already hear that the 200 megapixel camera sensor is going to be coming for the first time in the Samsung S series, which will probably give you a better quality of videos and photos. And talking about the videos, the 8K video recording with 30 frames per second is going to be coming not only in the S23 Ultra but all the three model, which definitely enhance the capability of this particular device. Now, moving forward, another big news that is coming for the S23 Ultra is the launch date. Basically, we hear that the February first week is going to be the date when we are going to be officially seeing the S23 Ultra device. According to Anthony, a leaker on Twitter, gave us a detail that Samsung still did not decide any pricing of the S23 series, so you could expect to see a delay in the launch of that particular device. Right now there is inflation, and that's because of that Samsung might be considering to increase the price of their S23 series lineup. Particularly in the European market, you could see a $50 of a price hike for the S23 series. Other than that, the US market will be coming with the same kind of a pricing. The $799 price tag will be for the S23 and $899 for the S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra will be coming with a $1299 of a price tag. Still, it is going to be a larger price tag for the S23 Ultra, but definitely it's packing some of the incredible hardware inside. Now, another thing which I really like about the S23 series is going to be the base storage option. Now, this year Samsung is going to be bringing the 256GB of base storage variant for the S23 series, which is going to be pretty amazing. The last time we have seen the 256GB of storage with 12GB of RAM was in the Note 10 device. So definitely this is going to be a great sign that Samsung is giving you more value in the same pricing as the S22 Ultra. Now, today we have got another leak that is going to be coming for the cases that are coming for the S23 Ultra, and definitely they are going to be pretty amazing. There are going to be multiple color cases that are coming with different colors, like we have a silicone cover, cream, green, lavender, navy, orange, black and white color option for the S23 series devices. And arguably the most important part of the list is that the S Pen color choices, which include cream, green, lavender and phantom black. The S Pen colors will match the body of the phone, so we are getting the Galaxy S23 Ultra in these four colors at the launch. And you guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about the 12 megapixel sensor downgrade from Samsung, or you excited about the 256GB of storage option? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.